Do not touch my butt, it's too dangerous. Hi guys, I'm Blow Off My Head Michael. That was so weird. This is a picture of me and my friends when my friends were having gas next to me. I didn't hear anything next to me, but whatever it is, it's not about gas. Michael, please touch my butt or else I will give you free gas leaks. If you do not touch my butt, you do not get to spend the night. Okay, I'm going to test it out. Ah! I don't have gas, you butthead. Whatever you're doing, you're yo-yo head. You're the yo-yo head. Jason? Jason, what are you doing here? I'm not Jason, I'm Strawberry. Strawberry is Strawberry, that's me. Jason is Jason, so that's him. Uh-oh. Yeah. Waha! I need to change. This looks too boring to you guys. Okay, this looks amazing. Let me put my hand down for a moment. That's good. That's good. Can I have gas? I'll test it. Oh, quiet, but that would do. Good evening. I'm Bob. Bob? I'm Bob. Bob. B-O-B. Bob. If you say B-O-B, that's Bob. If you say B-O-B, it's Bob. How do you spell Bob backwards? B-O-B. That's correct. Bob. It's just Bob. Bob, 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 Bob. Bob, 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 Bob. Oh, that sounds okay. Hi, I'm a naked guy breaking into your house. Is it okay I break your doorbell, you elf? Uh-oh. Sorry, Bob. I don't know how I can repay you, but I don't have any money. You have money. You're just broken. I have no money in my bank. I'll just ring your doorbell. I don't know. You might need a captain. I don't need a captain. Stop breaking stuff. Naked Peter Griffin is ridiculous. I can't fix your doorbell. Sorry, I broke the doorbell. You need new money. No, you just need money. I can fix the doorbell. I'm Captain Underpants. Sorry, I broke the doorbell. Captain Underpants don't break the doorbell. He just breaks stuff. Oh, I can fix the doorbell. Thank you so much, Bob the Builder. How can I repay you? By going out to eat. What? By going out to eat. Bye. I can't believe anyone. I can't believe Grandpa's annoyed. I am gonna eat your head. Yum 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 yum. Yum yum. Delicious. I need to poop Michael's head off. Out of my butt. Thank you for the gas. I can do the rest. Michael, if you're watching this, I'm hungry. Yum 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 yum. Delicious, I need gas. Okay, here I go. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember, these videos are for fun. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. You guys are awesome. We'll see you guys next time. Bye, you guys.